Hey everyone, Jeep Momma here. For the next few months, I'm going to be testing out this Bushcraft Chef Knife by Maxsa. A fellow Jeep enthusiast and YouTube fan started the company 2 years ago. They had some local success in the DC and Virginia area and decided to expand their audience. So they reached out to me and asked if I would try this knife out. The owners of Maxsa, a new knife company founded in Virginia in 2023, were looking for a versatile knife for outdoor enthusiasts as well as chefs. They wanted to bridge the gap between kitchen culinary and outdoor exploration by crafting a premium knife to cater to both by blending functionality with durability. The knife is crafted with premium materials that are resistant to the elements. I plan on testing out this knife in those elements over the next couple of months. I've been using this knife in the kitchen and plan on taking it with me on my outdoor Jeep adventures to see how well it stands up. The blade is 6.5 inches of high carbon stainless steel with a heavy-duty Kydex sheath. It has a notch to use as a bottle opener or even lift pot cover handles on an open fire. Maxsa says the knife blade is pro-grade Japanese AUS 10 steel with 3 times more carbon and 38% more chromium. It is so strong it can chop through wood, skin hogs, and razor sharp for slicing through any vegetables or meat with ease. Slice and chop veggies with ease? Check. Slice meat with ease? Check. As far as chopping through wood, I will be trying that out on my next camping trip when I make a fire, using the knife for kindling and tinder. Skin a hog? Probably not. The tall blade is perfect for scooping up chopped fruits and vegetables from the cutting surface. Razor sharp for thin slices. It feels solid, well balanced, and the grip is comfortable in my hand. The ergonomic handle combines heavy-duty micarta and G10 for a slip-free grip. This all-purpose knife is perfect for the home kitchen, camp kitchen, out fishing, campsites, and more. But wait, there's more. If you want to test out this knife yourself, I have a discount code, Jeep Momma 15. The link to purchase the knife is in the description below. And check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.